You didn't get your hamburger and nuggets? Oh. Is he hungry?
No, he ain't
talking
hungry.
about McDonald's?
Not today,
He told me. I said, you buy Granny a hamburger? He said,
No.
No, not today, honey.
Give me steak.
Huh?
Give me steak.
You getting a milkshake? A hamburger and nuggets? You taking pictures of him?
I'm recording him.
Him? This thing do all that?
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
And then you can put it on the computer? That thing is expensive. Bye-bye. Bring me a hamburger, okay? Skylar. Look, Skylar.